Good evening, Chicago. This is Carlos from Caravan Cleaning Services, once again with a move-out cleaning service. Today we are in Logan Square, Chicago, and we are going to be doing this beautiful apartment. And this is an apartment where we actually consider it lightly soiled. And we're going to be doing some light cleaning. However, we still have to be thorough. We have to wipe down, dust everything down, and shine everything up for this property to be ready to be sold. All right, let's go take a look at the kitchen. I'm going to be dusting down. We hear the light fixtures, cleaning inside the cabinets, using our furniture polish. We're going to be shining the counters and stainless steel polish, cleaning inside the microwave. Just a lightly soiled oven. Same as the fridge. Now we will have some time to go over some of these spots in the walls. Normally we don't really work on the walls unless they request it. Clean the glass door. Let's take a look at the master shower. Look at that beautiful shower. All right, it's a small apartment, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, but it does have a second floor. Let's go take a look. It's actually very small. One thing I recommend for all these light marks, scuff marks here at the stairs, I recommend you use the magic eraser. These come out excellent. Come right off, you won't even see them. All right, second floor is just laundry. But one last thing I'll show you before we get started on the cleaning. And take a look at this beautiful view of Chicago. There's downtown. All right, my team's about 5 minutes away, so I'm gonna get downstairs to greet them, and we'll get started. Welcome back. This is Carlos one more time. We are finished with the job. Team just left and everything looks really nice and shiny. I know I like to use that word shiny. That's because that's how we like to leave everything. Presentation is really important. You can tell by how everything looks. The fan was cleaned by hand. Let's take a look at the kitchen. All the cabinets, sink, stainless steel polish. No, it was not too bad. We still clean it anyways. Take a look at the rest. Beautiful. Look at that. Fixtures, glass counters, and cabinets. All right, this is a short one, but still thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below, or you can text or call the number listed at the end of this video. This is Carlos from Caravan Cleaning Services, move in, move out cleaning. Thank you for watching.